Is InVideo AI putting your data and creative work at risk? Let's dive into the safety of this AI video creation tool. First, examine InVideo AI's data privacy protocols. Head to their website and find the privacy policy. Understand what data they collect, how it's used, and with whom it's shared. Pay close attention to sections about data encryption and storage. Next, let's consider malware. Run a scan of the InVideo AI installer file before running it. Use reputable antivirus software or online tools like VirusTotal to check for any malicious code. A clean result is essential. Intellectual property is key, so scrutinize InVideo AI's terms of service regarding content ownership. Ensure you retain full rights to videos you create. Look for clauses about AI-generated content and how InVideo AI handles copyright claims related to material used by the AI. Don't just rely on the company's word. Check user reviews and testimonials on trusted platforms like Trustpilot and G2, and even Reddit. Search for any mentions of security breaches or privacy concerns. A mix of opinions will give you a balanced perspective. Finally, contact InVideo AI's support team and ask direct questions about their security measures. Inquire about data security audits, compliance certifications, and their response plan for security incidents. Their transparency and responsiveness are crucial indicators of their commitment to safety. By assessing these points, data privacy, malware vulnerability, intellectual property protection, user reviews, and direct communication can make an informed decision about whether InVideo AI aligns with your security requirements.